Homeopathic Conference of Delhi Homeopathic Medical Association registered was organized on 23rd November 2025 at Hotel Radisson Blu, Dwarka, New Delhi in the presence of 86 delegates plus 22 candidates of the sponsor of the conference like REPL, SBL, Edwin, Homeopathy, Kioris, Dr. Kavita Kugnur. Those were helping in the entire conference and they also help in DHMA other activities. The conference was started at around 9:20 a.m. with warm welcome of all delegates and a short spiritual note from Dr. Kavita Kuknur, who was from USA, sent a short video of meditation and wishes for the conference. The warm welcome started by Dr. Deepak Sharma, General Secretary of DHMA, and Dr. Deepika Balani, Organizing Secretary of DHMA. They first invite our President of the Association, Dr. Shweta Singh, through the dais to start the conference, and she welcomed everyone and gave permission to start the conference further. At about 9:30 p.m., a morning tea and refreshment started, and everyone enjoyed the morning tea. After morning tea, the conference started by welcoming again by Dr. Shweta Singh, President of the Association, on the dais, and welcome our keynote speaker, Dr. Ajit Kondo Kulkarni from Pune, and then called to invite our guest of honor, Dr. Sandeep Sharma, who is a writer, producer, and director at Doordarshan. And lastly, invite our special chief guest, Mr. Sudhir Kumar Bhatnagar, who is the retired director from Ministry of Finance, Mumbai, Government of India. The four dignitaries on the dais were increased the importance of the association. Dr. Deepak Sharma then invite to welcome all the dignitaries to lamp lighting in front of Dr. Henneman portrait. He also invite all dignitaries like Dr. C.P. Sharma, Principal, Bexan Homeopathy Medical College, Greater Noida, Dr. Rajneesh Sharma, Dr. Y.N. Bhatnagar, and other executive members of the association. After lamp lighting, our President Dr. Shweta Singh and our executive member Dr. Rajneesh Kumar Sharma sir welcome our speaker Dr. Ajit Kulkarni, Dr. Sandeep Sharma, and our chief guest Shri Sudhir Kumar Bhatnagar by giving a shawl and mementos. At first, our president spoke about the DHMA, its activity and work done in last 2 years, the progress of association and the future planning of the association, like to focus of building a Hannimanian Bhavan to promote DHMA worldwide, increase the membership and many other activities. She also explained the significance of association to the fraternity. After that, our guest of honor, Dr. Sandeep Sharma, spoke about homeopathy, his experience about homeopathy, about association, and felt very proud to be a part of this conference. He spoke about 15 minutes and showed his gratitude towards the association and every member. He thanked special to the our General Secretary Dr. Deepak Sharma, President Dr. Shweta Singh, Dr. Rajneesh Sharma, and everyone present in the hall. Our chief guest Dr. Shri Sudhir Kumar Bhatnagar also spoke about homeopathy and the association. He suggested that all this association will be a unique association he saw in the last many years and will work on the financial status and suggest to approach their ministries to get more fundings to promote homeopathy and the association. After the speech of our dignitaries, our chief guest gave an appreciation to each executive member for their tremendous work in the last 2 years in the following order. First, Dr. Shweta Singh, President. Second, Dr. Satya Prakash Verma, Vice President. Dr. Richa Pawar, President. Dr. Niharika Jain, Organizing Secretary. Dr. Usama Ali, Organizing Secretary. Dr. Y.N. Bhatnagar, Joint Secretary. Dr. Deepika Balani, Joint Secretary. Dr. Rajneesh Kumar Sharma, Executive Member. Dr. Ganima Jindal, Executive Member. Dr. Abhishek Duggal, Executive Member. Dr. Jyoti Devatwal, Student Coordinator. Akash Garg, Student Coordinator. Dr. Deepti Adhikari, and Dr. Diksha Verma for the volunteer of the association. In the same sequence, our chief guest with our guest of honor appreciate everyone and give them the certain every amount of the thanks and felt very happy to get this opportunity to felicitate each member of the association. And they also felicitate and give mementos to our speaker of the conference in the sequence. Number one, Dr. Ajit Kondo Kulkarni, keynote speaker came from Pune. Dr. Navneet Sharma, Dr. Ravi Sharma, Dr. Ravi Singh, Dr. Divya Taneja, Dr. Bipin T. Varghese, along with the welcome and give members mementos to our chairperson. First to Dr. Neeraj Gupta, who is the principal of BR Sur Homeopathy Medical College, New Delhi. Dr. C.P. Sharma, Principal of Paxton Homeopathic Medical College, Noida, Dr. Renu Mittal, Research Officer, Scientist for CCRH, and Dr. Rajneesh Kumar Sharma, the owner of HomeoCure. After the inaugural ceremony of the first scientific session of the conference on the topic theme pathological challenges in homeopathy took by our keynote speaker Dr. Ajit Kondo Kulkarni, who came from Pune, Maharashtra, to give his presentation. He started with the introduction of homeopathic philosophy with the introduction of to approach the case. He explained cases with their symptomology and medicine in between. Everyone enjoyed the teachings and appreciate him. He also interact with each member on their table to make an interactive sessions and the effective presentations. In between his lecture is an entertainment to make an impressive presentation at about 1:30. A question and answer session was started and many members asked their queries and the speaker perfectly answered to their delegate to each delegate. After the first session, lunch was announced and every member delegates took delicious lunch and enjoyed photography at DHMS selfie stand and other locations of the venue. During the lunch, poster presentation also conducted by Dr. Niharika Jain, led by Dr. Rajneesh Kumar Sharma, in which following candidates came with their posters. And the members are Dr. Ankita Jain, Dr. Candy Beni, Dr. Deepika Balani, Dr. Osama Ali, Dr. Yashika Arora. The presenters give the perfect presentation, and our keynote speaker Dr. Ajit Kulkarni also enjoyed this poster presentation. After lunch, our second scientific session started, which was chaired by Dr. Neeraj Gupta sir and Dr. C.P. Sharma sir, and the first speaker was Dr. Navneesh Sharma, who spoke on their uh, cases cases treated with the homeopathy. He explained each and every point in a very short span of time. The speech was remarkable and appreciated by everyone. The second speaker was Dr. Bipin T. Vargas, who spoke on the presentation and present his cases and also cover each and every point. The both speakers were appreciated by our chairpersons and chairpersons gave their valuable comments on both speakers. An appreciation to both chairpersons were given by our executive member Dr. Rajneesh Kumar Sharma and Vice President and Dr. Satya Prakash Verma with a memento. Our chairperson also appreciate our speakers with a memento and certificate. At the third session of the conference, our Dr. Renu Mittal and Dr. Rajneesh Kumar Sharma chaired the session and as a chairpersons. The first speaker was Dr. Divya Taneja from CCRH, was spoke very well on the case studies, and everyone liked her speech and the way she presented. The second speaker of the session was Dr. Ravi Singh from Lucknow, showed the most complicated cases to be treated with homeopathic dilutions and treated with the help of hair of the patient. It was the last session of the conference and delegates enjoyed each and everything and the learnings and ask their questions. Will all the speakers or chairpersons appreciate our both speakers with mementos and certificate. After all the scientific session, a cultural program was started in which first presenter was Dr. Candy Beni, sang a song with a beautiful voice. Two students from B.R. Sur Homeopathic Medical College named Nishant Rijwani and Syed Hassan, and third one was the Ina Madre, who performed a dance on various songs. The cultural program was so exciting that everyone enjoyed. After cultural session, our president Dr. Shweta Singh distributed certificate to REPL, Mr. Inderjit and Anshul Pupneja from Nisha Medicos as a platinum sponsor of the conference. SBL Private Limited, Edwin Biotech, Curis Pharma, Dr. Kavita Kuknu, Dr. Vaibhav Sharma from HomeoCure Kashipur, and the person behind the camera with thank you. At vote of thanks given by Dr. Shweta Singh, President of the Association, she thanked each and every delegate, thank to every sponsor, thank to her team for the contribution, thank everyone who participated for the fraternity. She thanked Dr. Ajit Kulkarni and every speaker of the conference, every poster presenter, and everyone who involved in the premises. She also thanked our chairpersons who dedicatedly done their job during the conference. She also thanked our chief guest, Shri Sudhir Kumar Bhatnagar, our guest of honor, Dr. Sandeep Sharma, for their present at a short time and accept our invitation on a very short notice. She also thanked all the staff of the premises for a prompt response, Sushil Kumar for audio-visual arrangements, and Mr. Amit Kumar for the all kind of board works for the conference. At last but not the least, our executive member Dr. Rajneesh Kumar Sharma, on behalf of the patron sir, announced the dissolution of the existing DHMA executives on or committee 2024-25 on 23rd November 2025 and announced biennial presidential election of the association. He gave the last date of nomination will be 26th November 2025 at 11:59 p.m. and 27 November for the withdrawal of the name. He also announced the condition of the nomination was the candidate should be a primary member of the association, at least 15 years of the old membership. There was no dispute of any kind, active contribution in the last 5 years. There will be no financial dues or of any kind, clean and legal records in the fraternity. The conferences was started with anchors Dr. Deepak Sharma, myself and Dr. Deepika Balani, and they both end the session with a group photography and promising to meet again very soon. So thank you. These are the minutes of last conference.